Hi, I'm Marco Cicerone. I go to ONC BOCES. It's a good place to be. Hard work, you gotta have a good mindset when you wake up in the morning and come here. This welding class in particular, the teacher, he really does know his stuff. He knows a lot about welding. He's been in the industry for a pretty long time, and I would listen to his words.
Hi, I'm Austin. I'm the vice president of the welding class here at NCOC BOCES. Welding has always interested me, and I wanted to learn more about it so I could go into a field that included it. When I get out of here, I can go make 6 figures a year.
I'm Mr. Holbrook. I teach welding and metal fabrication. You can graduate with first aid, CPR, forklift training. You have the opportunity to get your CDL and OSHA 10. My juniors do an OSHA 10 training course, and senior class will do an OSHA 30 training course. And then the New York State DOT students have an opportunity for. Well, we start the school year off probably a couple weeks in safety and welding. We go over equipment safety, we go over welding safety, PPE, hand tools, power tools, torches. I'm an advocate basically for any CTE program, but in welding we spend a lot of time incorporating a valuable work ethic, which can be used in any program. But in welding in particular, we have a chance for students to get DOT certified, which allows them to work on state jobs for a very high rate. But welding, we teach fundamentals that can be incorporated in many other trades.
For more information about the welding program, please talk to your guidance counselor or visit oncboces.org.